We are doing Ga, also known as gallium, and here is two pictures of gallium. Okay, now we're going to start with the proton. The proton is the number, the atomic number, in the corner of the left, on top. In this case, it is 31. Okay, now we're going to do the neutron. The neutron is the atomic number, 31, minus this number right here, in the bottom left-hand corner. So I'm going to write that up, and then we'll do the math. Okay, so we know that 9 minus 0 equals 9, and 2 minus 0 equals 2, and 7 minus 0 equals 7. Bring the decimal point down, and since now we do 9 minus 1 equals 8, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. That is our neutron, 38.729. Now we are going to go to our electron. The electron is the same as the proton, and so that would equal 31. I will now tell you the history of Ga, also known as gallium. Gallium was discovered in 1875. It was discovered by a man whose name is really hard to say, but is Lecoq de Bois Baudrin. Lecoq de Boisdrin. I think he's like French or something like that because he has a really hard name. And now I will tell you some more history. And it was the word gallium comes from the Latin and French. Like they had their own versions like Gallia and Gallium, and they just kind of combined it together to get gallium. So I will show you two flags, the French and the Latin. Here is the Latin. There. And the second flag. French. Now I will tell you the important uses of gallium. The first important use that I will tell you is when the gallium wets glass and forms a mirror, like when it's painted on the glass. So basically gallium will be melted into a liquid, and then it gets painted on glass and forms a mirror. So here's a picture of glass. And then you can visually see the gallium in the last picture in the first slide. And here is the mirror. So when that gallium that you saw in the last two slides, so the first slide, that gallium would be painted on the glass shown, and then it would form a mirror that kind of looks like this. So that's kind of cool that gallium can make a mirror. Now I will tell you another important use of gallium, and that is gallium is capable of converting electricity directly into coherent light. So basically it can like make electricity, And so I will bring up a picture of a spark between two wires that were combined as one before, and then when they took apart and like plugged whatever the object was in, it made a spark right there. And so gallium is also used in this wire, and so that is important because without it we might not be able to use electricity. And the last important use that I will share with you is gallium has been used as a component in low melting alloys. And so basically, gallium has been used as a component. That means like it has been used as a smaller part of the bigger problem. So it's been like in the melting. Here, I'll bring up a picture. And this is from a company. And it looks basically like water. And I've said this before that gallium can melt down. That's how the mirror was formed. But yeah, this is a picture of melting alloys, and gallium would be inside of here also. So yeah, it's a component. And that was the 3 important uses that I chose that I thought were pretty interesting.